Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on audio downloads for podcasts in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner, then we tap on settings and privacy, then we scroll down, tap on data saving and offline, and then under downloads and streaming, we have audio only downloads for video podcasts. We can turn this on, and what this means is that when we find a podcast that we want to listen to later and we want to download it because maybe we are flying to a country and we don't have internet connection on the plane, we can just turn this on and download only the audio to not use so much space on our device. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.